Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use mobile as mouse in Windows PC or laptop. If you are using any PC or laptop and now you want to use your phone as your mouse for your laptop, so let's see how can you do this. You just have to open your browser and here just go for search and search for PC remote. Just search for this and after that just open the first website from here. And here just scroll down and tap on download option and then tap on download link. And I'm going to download link 1, just tap on it and here just tap on it to start your download. After download just tap on open the file and here you must have to install this on your PC which you're using. It might be laptop. Just install it and here just tap on install. After that it will be installed on your phone. Just tap on finish and it will be start for its launching. You must have to wait for this. And after that you must have to install the same app in your phone. So open your Play Store app. In Play Store just search and search for PC remote here. Just search for this one and you must have to install the same app. Just tap on install and it will be installed to your phone. Now you just wait for its installation, then we'll have a setup. After installation just tap on open to open the app and here you will get something like this. You must have to tap on this connect option. Just tap on this one and here just tap on allow. It will find or search for your nearby device. Here you can see this was enabled, so you will get it here. You must have to tap on it to connect with. You will get the same notification that your device has been connected to PC remote receiver. Now you can easily use your phone or mobile as your own PC or laptop's mouse. As you can see, you can easily use it as your mouse or in gaming, and here's different layouts. You can easily select it for different games. Here's a list of games. Here's the different utility tools. You can easily select it for that. And here's more options. Just tap on it and you will get different settings. As I'm going to just use it for mouse. From here you can easily power off your phone or your laptop. Here's the media control and the web control. Here's the camera. Just tap on the camera icon and here just tap on while using the app. And you can easily scan the QR code if you are having any connection issue and unconnecting. So that's how you can easily use your phone as a mouse for your laptop or computer. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.